It's a wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace Snail Pocket, where we provide an investment you can see that saves the earth. So, today we are going to talk about snails. Snails are an interesting subject that I always love to talk about because they are one of the animals that are very easy to raise and they are not really cash conscious, sort of cost. They are very cost effective in terms of taking care of. So this one is called Lace, and he is the ambassador or she is the ambassador. I'll explain further why I called him a he and a she, because it is an ambassador for the snails. So what we basically provide is an investment people can see and grow for themselves, but these can also be therapeutic. It is very therapeutic because every day when you watch the snails walk about, roam, it sort of gives you a feeling of well-being. It gives you settle. So this is why I put my own snails in the middle of my kitchen, where I keep them cool and then feed them. At the end of the day, I make dividends from them. So basically, let's talk about snails. So this particular snail that is Lace is a male and a female. So Lace is a hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodites basically because they have two sexual organs, or yes, they have two reproductive organs, the male and the female. So they can lay eggs on their own, or they can mate and then get the other one to fertilize their eggs for them. That can be done as well. And snails are interesting because they do not smell, neither do they make noise. At the end of the day, they are a perfect investment because if you are renting other people's apartment, this will be an excellent choice for you to raise. If you go and do dogs will bark a lot. If you go and do sheep, no. If you go and do goats, they smell a lot. Sheep smell a lot. They bleat a lot. They'll go bad every now and then. So we are doing an effective way where it is easy for you to take care of them. So this is where I put my boxes with my 20 snails in there, where I take care of them myself. So we have moisturized them and then we have fed them. So this is the new feed we placed in there, and I just wanted to talk with Lace here. So Lace, tell us a little bit about snail history. So snails are hermaphrodite, like we said earlier. They neither talk nor make noise nor smell. So if you keep the pen very clean, you can even keep this in your own bedroom and be okay with it. Snails are very lively. People think that they are not very active, but they are. Very soon, this one can walk all the way up my body, and then it will be gone. It is making an escape. So snails have 14,000 plus. They have 14,000 plus teeth in there somewhere. Snails have a lot of teeth in there, and then they eat a lot as well. So at the end of the day, that is what the teeth is. The teeth of a snail. If you haven't seen some before, that is it. So that is the underside or the belly of the snail, and that is the shell. So when you are picking the snails up, you never pick them by the flesh here. No, you always touch the shell. And this is the breathing hole where the snail breathes through. You can see, close, open, close, open. So it will be breathing very soon. And they take in very little oxygen because they can even go deep into the pen or the soil and not breathe a lot. So it just took one breath, and then we are waiting to see if it will take another in the very near time. Yes, it is bulging up. It's going to take another breath, and that is the face. So that is the face, and that is the teeth of our snail. So a wonderful specimen. It took another breath. It means that the snail is healthy. and it's taking a lot of breath as well. Okay, so a snail like this is about 4 to 5 months old, very healthy, because you can see the flesh. The fleshy part of the face is dark and this side is gray, so it means it's very healthy, and it has a pinkish look on the shell, and the shell is full. You can see that it is full here, this side where my thumb is, because it has all the meat sticking out. So basically, yes. And snails have about 14,000 teeth, and they can actually bite. You know, I've felt them bite, but not bite that will kill you. They will just graze that place. That's how they graze. And this is the underbelly or the legs of the snail. And this is the eye, ladies and gentlemen. It has 2 eyes and 2 fillets or antennas. So this is not the antenna, this is the eye. And this is the mouth where it eats. And the sex organ of the snail is somewhere here, right here, where I am pointing the camera at. Yes, exactly. The sex organ is the whitish thing here. The whitish thing here. Close to the neck. That's where its sex organ is. So this is snail. And this is Lace. We have been talking to Lace. And we'll say, have a wonderful day, Lace. Until we meet again. Ciao.